Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Waiting to go on. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to download Hack Wizard. Hack Wizard is used to hack anything you want. So let's go and go through the app. Okay, so you open your Hack Wizard. So if you need the app, contact me under my description or my comment section below. Then I'll send you through Facebook for you, just for free. It's for free. Okay, so you can generate BVN number. Then you enter your phone number. Then you click on generate. You can check your CC balance. So this is your CC balance. You insert everything, then you click on process. You can also crack BVN. Use BVN ticket, use card details, OTP division. Maybe you want to get US number, you can use this thing to get US number. Account activation, you can activate any of your accounts, whether Tinder, whether everything, any of your account. It's good for scammers. Wallet withdrawal, you can click on this one, put in everything and click transfer. Buy license code, you can do most of the Yahoo thing here. So I don't have any current balance, I've used all my balance. So if you need this app, just give it a like, a share. Please subscribe to my channel and test me. I'll send this app for you. Also, you can flash your account. You can flash someone's account. This is it. So maybe so you put it on delayed instant. So maybe I'm sending it to my friend. Maybe I'm sending 10,000, then I'll put it on delayed instance or very urgent. Then I'll click on process. So to send, to be like SMS message from bank account. You can use to earn money anyhow, massively. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.